Hey everyone, for this activity, I chose to do a word cloud over barriers in the classroom. And basically what a word cloud is just a bunch of words, different words that kind of describe something. Like for this instance, it's describing like I chose important words that stood out to me in the video of barriers in the classroom. So I could use this in my classroom when I'm a teacher, and I could just go around the classroom after a lecture or whatever I was doing for that lesson and have each student give me 2 to 4 words on what stuck out with them or what they can recall from whatever I was teaching them. And then I can make a word cloud, which of course, if I have 20 students in a classroom, it'll have a lot more words than this little one has right here. So I think that it's a unique way to present information because it can help you figure out if the students really understood what you taught them, or if they were kind of struggling, or if they weren't even paying attention. So I thought this was pretty unique. And students can even make their own. You don't have to do it as a class, as a group. You can assign this to them just as a little assignment, I guess, just to see if they actually understood. And yeah, so I did mine over barriers in the classroom, and just some words that stuck out to me in the video that was provided for us were inflexible, daunting, and their barriers are just like roadblocks, which is true. And then complex, vocabulary, flexible, like you need to be more flexible with your strategies that you give in class, or with your lessons, or types of strategies that you use in class to present information, because not every student learns the same. And then like some students struggle with note taking, some struggle with worksheets. So it's just things like that like kind of stood out to me for this video. So yeah.